Hello kids, welcome back to another session. In today's session, we are going to do questions based on minus 9's formula. What is the formula of minus 9? It is minus 10 plus 1. Where I am going to apply this formula? Where I will not have enough beats to do minus 9. Okay, we will do the B row in the class. A row will be your homework. Let's start with the B row first. At 10 minus 9. I don't have beats to do minus 9 here. Simply, I'll apply the formula of minus 9 that I just wrote. Minus 10 plus 1. This formula. Now, plus 1 is there in the question. And then plus 8. Do I have enough beats to do 8 now? No. So, formula of 8 plus 10 minus 2. My answer is 10. Next, at 10 minus 9. Again, I don't have enough beats to do minus 9. So, formula of minus 9, minus 10 plus 1. Then plus 10 and then minus 9. Again, no beats for minus 9. So, minus 10 plus 1. Next, my answer is 2. Okay, next, at 10, at 2, minus 9. Again, no beats to do minus 9. So, minus 10 plus 1. And then it's plus 2 in the question. So, formula for plus 2, plus 5 minus 3. My answer is 5. Pretty easy, right? Next, at 10, minus 9. Do I have enough beats to do minus 9? No. So, formula of minus 9, minus 10 plus 1, and then plus 2, and then again plus 2. Do I have beats for plus 2? No. So, formula of plus 2, plus 5 minus 3. Next, 10, 3, minus 9. Do I have enough beats to do minus 9? No. So, formula of minus 9, minus 10 plus 1, then again plus 1. Do I have enough beats to do plus 1? No. So, formula of 1 plus 5 minus 4. My final answer is 5. Okay. I hope it's clear, guys. Okay. This was pretty easy. Now complete the A row in homework and let me know the answers in the comments. Bye bye.